What if I told you that there's a bird known for its astonishing intelligence and playful mischief? Meet the Kea parrot, native to New Zealand. These remarkable birds are not just beautiful, they are problem-solving wizards. Keas have been observed using tools, manipulating their environment, and even solving complex puzzles that stump other animals. Their playful behavior often includes stealing items from unsuspecting hikers or unzipping backpacks to find food. This cleverness is linked to their social nature, as they thrive in groups and learn from one another. Keas remind us that intelligence comes in many forms, and they certainly redefine what it means to be a clever creature in the animal kingdom.